finish it off by sprinkling some coriander. Rasmalai is one sweet that everybody loves it, and making rasmalai is very easy. Bring the cow milk to a boiling point. Now reduce the flame and add vinegar. Spoon by spoon, add it, mix it. Now you will see water and the milk separating. This is when you add the ice to this. So basically you are arresting the curdling. So immediately the temperature will fall down. I switched off the flame. Okay. I've got some ice also here to further chill it down. In a muslin cloth, just pour this entire curdling. Look at this, ice still there. That means the whole thing is nice and cold. Drain out the water and let this cool down. And just tie it somewhere, let the water drain, and then we're going to make the rasmalai. After 30 minutes of hanging, look at this. Only when this is nice and soft, then only you can use this for making rasmalai. We're going to knead it. So basically what we're going to do is, we're going to remove all the grains that is there, and we're going to make this very nice and smooth. Only then, this will come as a nice rasmalai. The science behind it is, the protein that is there, we curdled by adding vinegar, but we did not let the protein fully curdle. We half curdled the protein. So again, when you make this into balls, the protein will start setting when you put it in hot sugar syrup. Just divide them into small dumplings, and we're going to give it a shape. All chana products, the rasgulla, rasmalai, everything are done with this. And take this into the hand, make it round and just slightly flatten it. It is as simple as that. Put it on a plate. You have to cook this rasmalai in the sugar syrup. Water boiling. In this, add some sugar. Just drop it in that, and they will go down and settle, and in no time they will start floating up, and they will double in the size. Look at the size we are putting, and when they come out, they will increase in the size. So now let them boil vigorously. The more vigorously they boil, they will become nice and soft. Around 10 minutes of cooking, look at them, they have become almost double in size, and we have to cook this for at least 15 minutes. And all you need to do is take it from this and put it in the cold sugar syrup, and we have to let this cool down. Only then we are going to put it in the milk, sweet milk, and we are going to make our rasmalai. So this is very simple. I have taken 1 liter of milk, and I have been cooking it for like almost 30 minutes, and try to reduce it. In this, add sugar and make it slightly sweeter. Not too much, it should be slightly sweeter. And also in this you can add the saffron water, so that you can give very light slight yellow color that will make it look nice. A little bit of cardamom, that will give a very nice taste to this milk. Slightly reduced milk, we are going to let it cool down. We have to squeeze out the water and put them into the milk. So squeezing out the water, they will become flat, but the moment you put it in the milk syrup, again they will suck in the juices and again swell up. You can sprinkle some pista, or you can also sprinkle some badam. Rasmalai is loved by everybody, but the same curdled milk, we can make awesome paneer malai kofta. This is pure paneer malai kofta, and we do this for very, very special guests. So the same way we curdle the rasmalai, this is softly curdled chana. In this, we are going to add some maida just for binding. In this, add some chili powder, some broken cashew nut in this. So this nicely chopped cashew nut will give a nice taste. These paneer malai koftas, we are going to add it into makhani gravy, and we are going to make biryani, and it is going to be super tasty. So in this, add some chopped green chilies also, add some chopped coriander and some cardamom powder, add salt and mix all these ingredients. Look at this, and we are going to make the koftas. Now cut this into small kofta size, whatever koftas you want, and make them into nice balls. These are the best koftas that you can ever make, and they are perfect paneer koftas. You can also make malai kofta curries with this, and you will get the best kofta curry. But today it is going to be awesome makhani paneer kofta biryani, and that too we are going to do it in rice cooker. Now fry these koftas till they are nice and golden in color. Look at this, they are perfect. The koftas are nicely fried. Inside it is nice and spongy. They are so good. And these koftas, we are going to make the gravy. And when the rice is done, we are going to serve it in a different way today. So first, we are going to make the rice in the rice cooker. So when we curdle the milk, whatever the water we call whey, this is very, very tasty. You can put into all cookings. So here, for 3 cups of rice, I put 6 cups of whey water. That is the curdled milk water. In this add salt, we are going to add whole garam masala. The cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, shahi jeera. And in this, add some oil. So this oil is to make sure that the rice comes nice and fluffy. And I have already washed and soaked the basmati rice for almost 30 minutes. So drop all the basmati rice into this rice cooker. Mix this. Always check the taste of the water. It should be good. It should have the right amount of salt. Put the lid on and switch it on. When this is almost done, much of the moisture is absorbed. In this, I am just going to add some saffron color in this. Add oil in a pan. We are going to add butter, so do not add too much oil, just a little bit. And in this, you are going to add onions, salt. Saute this till they are slightly golden in color. Now, when the onions are slightly brown, add ginger garlic paste. Let this also slightly sizzle. This add tomato puree. On the top of tomato puree, add Kashmiri chili powder. This will give good color. If you want spicy the way I like, add some other chili powder, the spicy chili powder, a little bit of garam masala, coriander powder. Let this cook and you will get this nice red color in the gravy. When you see some of the oil coming out, just move the gravy a little bit on the side. In this, we are going to add the butter. So we are going to add some cashew nut powder in this, and this also need to cook. So let's cook this along with the butter, and this will help you form a very nice gravy. Kasturi methi powder, and now add water and bring it to the consistency you desire. The beautiful rasmalai. Aha. And oh, this is so delicate. To start off, at least 2 rasmalai and some of this beautiful rasa. The rice is also almost ready. Drop the koftas into the gravy. Let these koftas soak in the gravy just for few minutes. You can serve this as makhani, paneer, malai koftas also, but we are going to serve this as biryani. At the bottom, 3 koftas with the sauce. Aha, how wonderful this rice is. Just take it. So this sprinkling of the rice will make this rice beautiful. And first make one layer of the rice. Rest of the rice just sprinkle on top. Okay, the beautiful. So the kasturi methi flavor is there, very good. That is the reason why we did not add mint. Take the kofta with a little bit of the sauce. Now on the top, make sure you make it nice design like. Sprinkling some coriander, sprinkle if you want a little bit of lemon juice. The rasmalai and raita is all there, and let's serve. So why should only non-vegetarians have all the fun with biryanis? So look at the rice. This is for you, baby.
Thank
and
you.
I am going to have not 3 koftas, because see, first thing is you should have the bite of the kofta. I made this kofta so carefully, they will be like, beautiful, isn't it? The kofta, every bite. Kofta is just wonderful. We already had 4 rasmalai, and when the rasmalai is done, you got to do the shush shush shush. That is
drinking.
My son is like, he's doing this. But when you eat the best of the best food, you got to do ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick.